Hello everyone, I'm Renita. Welcome to my channel. First of all, I wish all my subscribers and viewers a wonderful new year. May this year bring you and your loved ones good health, happiness, success and plenty of memorable moments. In today's video, I will show you how I made delicious, flaky, layered, sweet, mini heart shaped palmiers or biscuits with the Pepperidge farm frozen ready to bake puff pastry dough sheets. I've got 35 biscuits of two flavors, Bengali Garam Masala, which has more of cinnamon flavor, and cardamom flavor. Be sure to watch till the end as I will share useful tips to make perfect palmiers every time, even if you are not a seasoned baker like me. Let's start with the ingredients. I have preheated the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes in the regular bake mode. For the biscuit or cookie, I have taken a ready-to-bake frozen Pepperidge puff pastry dough sheet 1 packet. Since it was in the freezer or deep fridge, I shifted it to the regular refrigerator the night before to defrost slowly. Then I took it out from there and left it on the countertop for 3 hours to defrost like this. In the summer, it can take 1 hour as well. As you can see, it is soft yet cold. It is very important for the dough to be like this. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon and select the notifications to all so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Firstly, I have worked with green cardamom flavor palmiers. For that, I have sprinkled some all-purpose flour on a large chopping board. Then I rubbed it on the board with my hand so that the dough sheet does not stick to the board. I then opened one dough sheet gently on it. I have many other puff pastry recipes. Please check them out. Their links will be shared in the description box. I will publish many more puff pastry videos this month and the coming month. So please stay tuned. Then I sprinkled some all-purpose flour on the sheet and rubbed it with my hand as well. Then I sprinkled sugar powder 1 tablespoon and green cardamom powder 5 pinches throughout the sheet. I have rubbed these ingredients evenly throughout the sheet like this. I have checked at the back of the packet that there is sodium or salt in it. If desired, salt about 1 to 2 pinches can also be added. Then with a rolling pin, I smoothened the sheet without making it very thin. This step helps to attach sugar and cardamom powder on the sheet. I then flipped it to do the same on the back side as well. Thus I have used sugar about 2 tablespoons in total and cardamom powder about 1/4 to half teaspoon in total. This is what the thickness should be after smoothing it. I can leave it as it is or give it a freestyle trimming on all sides with the help of eye measurement to get a smooth, clean look. I can also use a scale or ruler to measure the dough sheet to get a perfect square or rectangular shape. I have folded the sheet into halves to get the center of the sheet. Then I folded one side of the sheet till the middle mark, leaving space of only 1 index finger from the center. I have cut the extra part of the sheet. This step is optional. Then I have folded the folded side of the dough again on the dough already folded. I can also push the edges to get a clean edge as the dough is like an elastic. I have gently pressed the folds to set it in that position. I did the same for the other side as well. Then I folded one side on top of the other and pressed the dough again to set it. The 2 index fingers buffer I had created at the center will help to fold the 2 layered folds on top of each other. The 2 ends may not be neat, however, the rest will have neat layers. I have sliced the dough in the size of my index finger. I have got 16 pieces. With thinner slicing, I can get 19 pieces. Last but not the least, I have taken powdered sugar, about a half cup, in a bowl. I have coated the dough pieces in powdered sugar generously on all sides. Then I press the middle part to seal it and open the 2 sides to give it a heart shape or a V shape like this. My palmier is ready, so I kept it on the baking tray with the parchment or butter paper on it. I followed the same process with the rest of the butterfly cookies. The ones with a bad shape can be fixed by pushing the dough inside or upward or backward to give the palmier slice a neat heart shape. They can also be pressed to set them in the desired shape. Following this process, I have made the rest of the cookies. I have maintained distance between the biscuits because when they are baked, they swell and they need space to become larger. Otherwise, they crouch to each other and form crooked shapes. My first tray of palmier biscuits with the green cardamom flavor is ready to be baked. With the second dough sheet, I have prepared the elephant ears biscuit with the Bengali Garam Masala. I have smoothened the sheet and sprinkled the Bengali Garam Masala powder, about 2 to 3 pinches, and powdered sugar, about 1 tablespoon on each side. Thus, I used powdered sugar 2 tablespoons in total and Bengali Garam Masala about 4 to 6 pinches in total. I followed steps exactly the same for the previous sheet. Homemade Bengali Garam Masala is made by mixing cinnamon, green cardamom and cloves in the ratio of 7:4:1 and grinding them into fine powder. It has more of cinnamon scent in it. It smells better than plain cinnamon powder. I store it in an airtight jar and use it in all types of Indian and Western recipes. Please check the description box for the link to its tutorial video. My palmiers with Bengali Garam Masala flavor is ready for baking. I placed both the trays in the preheated oven and baked the pastries at 350 Fahrenheit in the convection or fan mode for 18 minutes total one side, or till golden brown color on one side. First, I baked for 10 minutes. Then I baked for another 8 minutes as I was not satisfied with the color. As you can see, the pastries have become big, heart-shaped and golden brown. I took the trays out and turned all the cookies. And put the trays back into the oven to bake the back side as well. I baked at 350 Fahrenheit in the convection or fan mode again for another 6 minutes or till golden brown. After 24 minutes of total baking time, the cookies are golden brown on all sides. So I took them out of the oven and left them outside to cool down before serving. After 10 minutes of cooling down, I have served them. The baking time will vary as it depends upon the make, model, size of the oven. The cookies of both flavors are beautifully golden brown, layered, crispy, flaky, shiny, and wonderfully tasty. There is no difference in looks besides taste. Please make it at home and write in the comment box about your experience. If you have not subscribed yet and you like the video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon and set the notification to all to get all my future videos. You can also share your views, queries, alternate methods if you have any in the comment box. I read them all and they matter to me. I will be back with another tasty recipe soon. Till then, tata.